Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, thanks to our God Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who has given us some mercy and blessings so you can watch my video with good condition and happy situation. Secondly, my salawat and salam always be given to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam who has brought us from the darkness to lightness, from the Jahil era to the Islamic era. Hello friends, my name is Fahman Ibadur Rahman and you can call me Fahman. So today I'm gonna make some tutorial about my project, and namely is variables, logic, and radio. Okay, just go ahead. Let's get started. Okay, for the first, you must have on start and then forever, and then you go to variables here, and you just make a variable and write score like this, and you just okay. And it's really easy. Set score to 0, change score by 1, in your variables score. For the first, you may choose set score to 0, and then put in the on start.
Okay. And for
After you choose variables, and then you put in the on start, you go to the basic, then you choose show number 0, and then put in the forever,
see,
and then go to variables again, and choose score, and put in the 0.
okay, we try it.
After that, you go to logic,
Okay, this one.
and then you choose if true then else.
Okay, we
Choose and put under show number score.
okay, button
Still in the logic, you choose 0 equals 0,
6.
and then you put in the true. You go to variables, choose score, and put in the first 0, and in the second 0, you may change
Yes,
to
button
the 6.
6. Okay,
Okay,
4.
after that, you go to basic
Press 8 plus
and choose show string hello,
okay, maybe
and then put in the if then. For hello, you may change whatever you want. For example, I will change to the win like this. Okay. After you go to basic and then you just show string, you go to the logic and then choose if true then, and then put in the else this. And then same like before, you go is still in the logic, just 0 equals 0, put in the true,
okay, see.
then for first 0 you may change to the score, and for the second 0 you may change to the 9 like this. Okay, after that you choose variables, and then you choose set score to 0, and then you put in the second if then, and then uh, you go to the input and choose on button A pressed. Choose and put in here. After that, uh, you go to the variables. Okay, I'm sorry. So you go to variables, and then you just change score by 1, and you put in on button A pressed. And after that, you go to input again, and choose on button A pressed again, and you change to A plus B like this. After that, you go you go to variables and then just set score to 0 and put in the on button A plus B pressed. And then you go to the input. Wait, you go to the input and choose on button A pressed again and put in here. After that, for the A, you may change to the B. And go to basic and choose show number and put on button B pressed. After that, you go to math and then you scroll. There is a pick random 0 to 10. You choose and put in the 0 like this. Okay, you can see this. Okay, after that, for the 0, you may change to the 1. And for 10, you may change to the 6. And it will like this. Okay, after that, you go to the wait. You go to the logic. Okay, wait. It's some crash. Okay, and then you choose if true then, and you put under show number pick random 1 to 6. This. And then you go to the basic again, choose show number, and put in the if true then, and then for 0 you may change to the 6, and it will like this. Okay. After that, you go to radio and choose, and then you choose radio send string, and then put under show number 6. And for the radio send string, you may change to the hello. This. So, do like this. And then you go to radio again, and then you choose on radio receive string. Put in here. For that, you go to basic and choose show number 0. Put in the on radio receive. And then in here, there is receive string. You can choose, pick, then put in the 0. Okay. Okay. What about go to fire? I'm sorry, we go to the radio and just it. I'm sorry. It's not show number, but it's show string, and then put receive string in here, and it will like this. Okay, this is all done. You can see it. It's only like this. It's very easy. You can tidy up the code. This. Wait a minute. I will tidy up my code first. Okay, like this. It's just easy, right? Okay, and then I will show you the result. You can maximize. I can say full screen, and then you can click start. And then if you click A, it will show the number 1 until 9. But first, if you already in the number 6, it will show string win. And then you can continue again 7, 8, and if your number already in 9, it will reset to 0 like this. And then you can click B button for roll a dice. until you get number 6. After you get number 6, it there is radio, and it will show string hello. Okay, I will repeat again. We'll roll dice until we can get 6. Okay, 6, and it will hello like this. And if you click A plus B, it will reset like this. Like this. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Sorry if I have many mistakes. I hope you understand what I mean. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.